Adventures of Zach and Peter.
Happy birthday.
Hello friends. Today, we don't really have a lesson. We just wanted to say happy birthday to a special person. See ya.
Hey Dad. What you up to?
Oh hey Becky. I am just watching TV. What's up?
Well, it has occurred to me that your birthday did pass.
Yeah, it did.
Well, since I could not be there to celebrate with you, would you mind if I take you out?
Okay, thanks. Sounds great.
So you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What's going on?
I am taking you out, Sully.
Where are we?
Welcome to our one-woman show. It will be a 3-hour show about my old life in India.
3 hours? Let's get out of here.
Well, where would you like to go?
I would love to have a vacation.
Got it.
Wow! It's been a while.
I am so glad. You deserve it.
So how did we get here?
Magic. Where else would you like to go now?
Maybe a park?
No problemo.
Wow. This is nice. Very relaxing.
Yeah. Nice and quiet. Dad, I want to say, happy birthday. I wish I could have celebrated with you. You really deserve a nice birthday. I really miss you and it sucks that we live so far away.
It's okay. We will see each other soon.
Okay, Dad. It's time to eat. I am hungry.
Sounds good to me.
Let's go, Dad.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. We wish we could be there with you. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.